So the material that you will be needing will be one sock. Make sure you get a fun and colorful one. You can get that on Amazon, or if you have any fun socks laying around, feel free to use that. You will need yarn, scissors, you will need cardboard, glue, a hot glue gun, felt, 2 pom-poms, and 2 googly eyes. So the first step is you're going to take your sock and you're going to turn it inside out. You're going to want to make sure that the heel is facing you. The next step is you are going to take a piece of cardboard, fold it in half, and it'll be about 1.5 to 2 inches, the length and width of the toes of your sock. This will create the mouth of the puppet. Make sure to cut the edges so that the corners are more rounded and not so sharp. Once you're happy with the size of the mouth, you can then get your glue gun ready and start gluing the cardboard onto your sock. Once the glue has dried, you can go ahead and turn your sock right side out, keeping the mouth tucked in. Next, we're going to pick out some pom-poms for the eyes. We're going to go ahead and pick some green pom-poms to match the sock, and we also have some fun googly eyes that have some eyelashes on them. I find it easier if you put the glue on the back of the googly eyes first and then onto the pom-poms. Just be very careful. The glue gun can be really hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Before you start gluing your eyes onto your puppet, just position them on top. Just take a look and see where you would like them to be at, and then you can go ahead and take your glue gun and glue the pom-poms onto the sock. Now let's take a look at our puppet and see what we would like to do as far as accessories. You can be really creative with this. You can do a lot of things. You could do buff teeth, you could do crazy hair, you could do sunglasses, but today what we're going to do is we're going to do hair in the form of a bow with a little hair bow. So you're going to need a piece of cardboard that's approximately cut 5 to 6 inches wide. You're going to take your yarn and you are going to wrap it around multiple times. Just keep wrapping and wrapping until you get a good amount on your cardboard. Next, you will slowly remove the wrap yarn off the cardboard. You're going to then wrap the yarn a few times around the center. Okay, you can do that a bunch of times, and then you're going to cut the yarn and finally glue the cut end onto the back. And there you have it, a really pretty bow. You can just fluff it out to make it pretty. You're then going to position it on your puppet to see how it will look like before gluing it on, and I like to put it literally right behind the eyes. Alright, now you are all set to start gluing, so you can glue on the back of the hair and just position it right behind the eyes. So she's looking really pretty. The only thing that I think she's missing is a hair bow. So you're going to grab your felt and you're going to cut out a hair bow. Now that we have your hair bow, you're going to figure out where you're going to want to put it on her hair. So I like it right behind the eyes, kind of on an angle. So we're going to take our glue gun, put a little glue, and glue that right on there. And for another little touch of detail, is I'm going to take a little mini pom-pom and I'm going to glue it right there in the center. And there she is, all done. Okay, so she's looking good. The only thing is we need a nose. So we're going to do a little orange nose, put some glue on there, and push it down, and there you go. We have a nose. So now we're going to create a tongue. So you're going to look at the width of the mouth of the puppet. You're going to cut based on that. So grab a piece of felt. We picked a pink one. And you're gonna cut a half circle. I always like to position the accessories prior to actually gluing them on, just to make sure that the size is right and that it looks good. Once I think that it's good, you're going to grab your glue gun and you can go ahead and start gluing the tongue into the mouth.